My name is Philip Montserrat, originally from the Philippines. I'm 86 years old, and I have a story to tell you. You see, I was a diabetic. I've been a diabetic for more than 5 years because my old doctor never told me that I was diabetic. And as a result of which, my left foot, I developed what is called neuropathy. And neuropathy is the hardening of the veins. My left foot became twice the size of my right foot. The color was reddish violet. I was in constant pain. I couldn't put my shoes, and most of the time I had to use my cane. A friend of mine by the name of Rick DeLuca, who is connected with Ganoderma, saw me one day, and he told me about Ganoderma and offered me, as a matter of fact, he gave me a box of oatmeals. I went to my doctor and told her about this, and she told me not to believe it because as far as she was concerned, she didn't believe in anything that was herbal. But because I was in constant pain, I decided to try it anyway. So lo and behold, after a month and a half, I noticed that my foot started getting better. I had to go and see my doctor again because I do my regular blood test, and she asked me, she says, what have you been doing? I said, why, doctor? He said, well, how come your sugar has gone down and all your other organs, there's been a tremendous improvement? I said, I haven't done anything except that I've been taking the oatmeal that you told me not to take. And she says, oh, is that so? Well, he says, I'd like to do a more extensive test. I want you to continue taking, at this time I was taking the chocolate. He says, I want you to continue taking this, and I want to give you an extensive test after two months. And I want to find out if there's been, your other organs have been affected by this. But to make a long story short, after 2 months, which was just about a month and a half ago, I got my test, and the report said that everything, my sugar from 180, 190, it was down to 106. My liver has been improved. All my organs were perfect, and she was amazed. And my left foot is the same size as my right foot. I'm no longer, the color of my left foot is normal. I can use shoes. I have a lot of energy. I also had what they called the liver spots on my hand. These were spots that usually old people have. Remember, I'm 86 years old. They're all gone, completely gone. My skin has improved. I have color. Another thing, and people tease me about this, my hair's gotten darker. So that's my story, and boy, am I so happy. I have so much energy, you have no idea. That's my story.